Yankee Lake Truck Night is based on 250 acres of food, fun, and excitement for all ages, from the serious mud bog competitor to the truck pulling competitor to tug-o-war competitors down to the spectators, which sometimes are very serious themselves.
His name's Harold. This is Harold.
At any given time on a Friday night, you may see 3,000 to over 6,000 spectators at Yankee Lake Truck Night. The busiest night we had with competitors, we had over 750 trucks, and that's a lot of competitors. You see a lot of signage, a lot of different graphics on different vehicles, a lot of sponsors. Some of the added attractions we have at Yankee Lake Truck Night is we have our mud pit, which is where we started. So we have the mud bogging competition. We have a swamp romp competition that we'll have throughout the season. We'll have truck pulling competition. We have lawnmower demo derbies. We're going to have some full-size car demolition derbies. We have the Dukes of Hazzard car jump. We are going to branch out into a long jump competition in '09. We'll have our tug-o-war area where it gets down and dirty and really serious right there, and that's two trucks hooking on a concrete pad back to back. We also have our major rock climbing wall, which is a serious pile of large boulders. There's 5 pretty serious hills that are about 120 foot. Also, we have 4 miles of trails that roll out across the 250-acre terrain at Yankee Lake Truck Night. If you don't have a truck of your own and you do want to come to Yankee Lake and get down into the center of all the action, you can come and ride down in our 4x4 monster party shuttle that we basically built a school bus to ride you right down into the center of all the action. And the Red Excursion, we built that for a CMT redneck wedding that we got attached to. The people from the filming crew was so excited about Yankee Lake and liked it so much, we was invited to do an up-and-coming second redneck wedding, basically at Yankee Lake, the whole wedding. And we had another vehicle that we had to get together, which is a white Ford pickup truck. We built that one and put it together. Also, we're building other vehicles for advertising promotions, such as this dump truck right here in the background. We built it for a couple of truck shows. Our website, trucknight.com, attracts over 50,000 hits a month. Log in to view our video and sponsor ads. Also, our Truck Night calendar is a great opportunity for annual advertising as well.